Looking for deep bass without losing space? Say hello to the Pioneer TS-WX010A, the compact underseat subwoofer that's shaking up in-car audio. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about this little beast: specs, performance, installation, and why it might be the perfect upgrade for your ride. First off, design. The TS-WX010A features a sleek trapezium shape that's made to fit perfectly in tight spaces, especially the passenger foot space or under a seat. It blends seamlessly into your car's interior, staying out of sight while still packing serious power. Now let's talk power. Despite its compact frame, this sub punches out a maximum of 160 watts, powered by a built-in Class D amplifier. That means it delivers impactful, clean, and efficient bass, perfect for music lovers who want that low-end thump without distortion. And because it's a down-firing subwoofer, the bass is distributed evenly and effectively across your cabin, creating an immersive, full-body listening experience. Installation? Super easy. Pioneer gives you two-way mounting flexibility, whether you prefer horizontal underseat setup or vertical placement near the passenger footwell. It's designed to adapt to almost any car interior, including compact cars and EVs. Just connect the wires, mount the unit, and you're ready to roll. Here's where it gets even better. The BASSSOUNDCREATOR technology. This feature boosts the quality of your low frequencies, making your bass sound richer, deeper, and more natural without overpowering your mids and highs. Perfect for audiophiles who care about balanced sound, not just boom. If you're driving an electric vehicle or a small car, space and power efficiency are key, and that's exactly where the TS-WX010A shines. Low power draw, small footprint, big sound. To sum it up, the Pioneer TS-WX010A is smart, compact, powerful, and easy to install. Whether you're upgrading your factory sound or building a stealth audio setup, this subwoofer delivers serious value without the bulk. Highly recommended for those who want clean bass without compromise. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest car audio reviews. Drop your questions in the comments. We always reply.